Let's learn how you can make a scrolling camera trend tutorial using only TikTok and CapCut applications. So let us start. I will show you this template. You can't find it on TikTok, so I will leave you link in the description. It's this link. It will lead you to your browser, and from there you will have to open CapCut. As you can see, when this page loads, just click on use template in CapCut, a red button, and it will open CapCut for us. Here it is. Now when you're on CapCut, just click on use template. And now you will be transferred to your gallery, where you will choose photos you want to set that you want to be on the video. I will choose some random just to show you the example. When you're finished, click on next, and this will be your final project. So you can choose what song you want to display. I will turn off the music to show you the video how it goes. When you're finished with editing, just click on blue export button and choose where you want to export this video, if you want to save it to your device or save and share to TikTok. You can also change quality of this video and resolution, also smart HDR. When you're finished with that, just click on done and transfer to your TikTok, and you're finished. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next